guys, today we'll be seeing what's inside the Pop Hair Surprise. Before we do it, you guys have to subscribe and check out the Num Nums Party Hair. That's related because this is Pop Hair. It's up at the corner. Also like that video and comment #hair. Okay, so I got this for Valentine's Day, and then I got this collector's guide too with it. I already got the plastic out, unwrapped it, so I'm just gonna see what's inside it. Okay, so let's go on the other side. So the categories are the bedheads, the girly cues, pretty and punk, and disco doos. So I got the one that's name is Snooze. It's right here. Do they look alike? And then the other one, that's the opposite, its name is Yawn. You can collect Snooze, Yawn, Frilly, Fancy, Rock, Roll, Boogie, and Funky. And there are also some Pop Hair pets with it. And there's like a bunch of them that you can collect. They look really cute. And then down below, there's these pop rollers. There's Wavy Wanda, Rosy Ringlet, Frida Fringe, Patty Coil, I don't know how to say that, and Callie Clipper, also Tina Tangle. So, let's flip it. Okay, so the surprise is you have to open and remove pop pod from the pop brush. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is a hairbrush too on the other side. And then twist and pull to remove spray bottle. So, by the way, it's just you have to do this. There's a spray bottle. And then you spray top of the pod and wait for a pop. Reveal pop and roller and twist to remove bow clip. Unwrap hair from pop roller. Open pop roller to reveal pop hair pet. Okay, so it also shows you how you can braid it. And you can weed and share. Here's the hair types: curly, straight, two-tone, ombre, highlights, and rainbow. And there's also hair colors, solid, and ombre. So, let's open it, finally. So, I think you're supposed to, there's like this little thing right there. So you're supposed to get that out. And we're going to wait for it to get out. Here's the little spray bottle, and it's like the bottom of it. And they're wearing like gym shorts or something. Okay. So now we're going to have to cut this and then just remove it. So now you can open it. Let's see what's inside. Stuff keeps on falling off the table. Let's see it. Okay, so this must be one of our surprises. You have to twist and pull spray bottle, and then you're going to spray this to reveal. And then we have this. I wonder what's inside. Before we do that, let's open up this. I wonder what's inside. So, just in case if there's any water, we do not want to spill it. So we're going to put it in there. We are going to open this. And to open it, you have to spray a few times. Empty spray bottle after every use. So I guess this is just water. Let's take this off. Now I'm going to spray it a few times. I think you're supposed to put water in it. There's no water in it, so you're going to have to put water in it. Okay, so while my mom's putting water in it, you're going to guess what is inside this. Comment down below, and do not skip parts of the video just to see what's inside this. We're going to open this soon. And if you know exactly what's in it, comment #surprise. Okay, now that we have it filled up, let's spray it. Spray it a few times all around. Then spray top pod and wait for a pop. So you're supposed to wait. It's going to pop. Isn't it gonna pop? Let's wait for it to pop. I hope it pops. I think it has to get really wet. Okay, now we're going to flip it so both sides have water. I sure hope it pops. Isn't going to pop? Okay, so you're supposed to wait for it to pop. I'm going to spray this part. And see if it pops like this. It just popped! We got a yellow one. That looks really cute. Let's see which one we got. So it looks like we got Callie Clipper. That is so cute. Okay, so what do you do after you reveal it? Reveal pop roller, whoopsies, and twist to remove bow clip. Okay, twist, twist, twist. Wow! Then you can take this off so you can get, oh my gosh! This is like so cute! I want to see which one we got. What's the name? Let's look. Where could it be? It's in the middle right here. It's Bunny Harry. I like that name. And then I think this is also a keychain. I love the hair. You can share it. So you could put these in your hair. Actually, this is a keychain. It's a hair tie. This is really cool. I love the color green. Okay. Now, open pop roller to reveal pop head. I already did that. Okay. Today was really fun, so we are going to see hair types we got. We got the curly one. That's so cool. We're going to try to braid it. It says how to braid. Separate hair into 3 sections. Place side strand over middle strand. Okay, place side strand over middle strand. Place other side section over middle section. Okay, repeat alternating side sections over the middle section. Okay. That. Did we braid it? I actually don't know how to braid yet, but I will soon. Okay, so it looks like it's supposed to come with some kind of brush, like a small brush, because it says brush. Okay, let's see what's in here. I wonder. What is in that? So, guys, you have a few more seconds to comment. What do you think is in here? I'll turn it around a few times and guess what is inside. Okay, guys, you better finish your comments because this is the moment of the truth. Okay, let's see what's inside it. If you guessed a bow hair clip, then you are right. And if you also guessed these little hair ties, rubber hair ties, then you are right. Okay, so we can put these in the hair. I love these toys. You can put these in the little pet's hair. Let's get it out. Okay, we finally got it. And then this actually kind of matches the bow that she has on right now. So cute. We're gonna put a second one. Then we're gonna put another one. Okay, so there's like the word here. And by the way, this is from the company MGA. That's what it says. I love MGA toys because they also have little LOL dolls. That's so cool. Okay, that's our little pet. And you can put it back inside the roller. And you can put it back inside here. And then you could also use it as a brush. Okay, I had a fun time, you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you got to the end, comment #pet. So stay still, because I have a very important message for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video. Bye, everyone.